I go by the name Nathino. The guy was going for capital G-O-D. Yeah, today we can talk about some serious issues. Something very happen with Charlie. Onyami because so who they call me now? Yo, Mr. Maka.
Yo, Tino.
Oh, Charlie, you know say I do video.
Sorry, Charlie, then they groove some boy. Shatawale groove some boy.
You say what?
I say then the groove am, then beat am.
Who the groove am?
Shatawale la one don beat am. Oh, you punch am.
Shatawale the beat stone boy.
For what? He take to your guy now. For the kill and gun inside. He drops on news on kill and gun.
Why the groove am?
He say the assassin sound clash no.
I mean that sound clash then finish like this thing tone. So why you say now
they
can't
tell
groove
you
am?
say the guy be the way he punch am oh it control hands. Oh, you see your man in face. You see your man in face and your man in face no nice crowd.
No, where you groove am for?
Oh, I say the kill and gun inside.
Kill and gun.
Kill and gun. Some new joint be your man drop. The way the way your man punch am oh.
You are here. Make I go check myself.
I say go check.
I
The way
go
they
check
beat
myself
am.
come.
Oh, I myself I now mobile stone boy.
Yes, say crying.
Oh, yeah, Jimmy cry.
Yo, I go call you back. Why?
I hear, yeah, man.
You groove am. Why somewhere make Shatawale go groove am? Charlie, I go. Charlie, I beg you, make people help me. We go see why say groove am. Where you groove am for? We go see right now. Yo, Charlie, my people, I go see the video. So I don't want to talk plenty, but Charlie, at the beg why if you no subscribe. So say next time I know say this some Stonebwoy go reply. Stonebwoy go beat am some. You know go grieve. The Beam fans go make Charlie. One guard go reply. So at the back subscribe. So say if one guard drop now, we go take give you quickly. Make we continue. Charlie, if you see the things, if you go say your man make wadu. If you see the cover art for there, you will say no. Why they make wad? You make wad for this one. Fix it.
Say don't run.
Devil, was Stonebwoy running from the clash or what? Or as the thing they go on, your man on run or you run away from war. That be what Wale they try to talk. They tell us say don't run. Let's continue.
Boy, in my war, we kill and gun. After me kill him and gun, boy start talk like a MC for a show.
Oh, so Shatawale is saying that Charlie, after he kills Stonebwoy, no, after he beat him, after he strip and finish, no, now your man can they talk like say the MC for show wonder. Why? It be true. Sarah, this thing I got there, it be somewhere be. He say after you strip and finish, now your man can they talk like MC. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, let us invite Mr. Shatawale on the show. Let's continue.
Can never predict one done. Only Shatawale I go get you exposed.
Okay, so that one is true. Nobody can ever predict Shatawale. Charlie, if you have that in mind to ever predict Shatawale, then I beg you raise him because this guy, he's one guy. Yeah, no try. Like don't even waste your time trying to steady him because he always comes out with something new, like something new. You know go fit predict him. The guy is unpredictable. So he they tell you say nobody go fit predict him. Well, I agree with him. This guy you can't predict him. Let's continue.
How can you say your father sell out?
So you see Shatawale, these are some of the things. So he will push you and if you say certain things then now he will use it against you. He's saying that why would Stonebwoy, why say Stonebwoy go talk say Samini be sell out? You know talking why you go talk say a whole your own godfather you go talk say be sell out.
Star boy me say get out. Everybody see it. Oh you flap. You don't know nothing about clash.
Oh, so he says Stonebwoy flop for the distance sound clash and out crying. He never do anything. When you see your man go flop, you don't do anything. That be what Shatawale they talk. More continue.
Every time that one on him, you never was original, always fake. Big sound.
That one I don't agree with you. Charlie Stonebwoy is very original. When we talk of Charlie songs, you know say your man they do correct songs. You know the how I go talk am. You know they take people them online take a buck in song inside like how somebody they do. I don't mention anybody name. But if you know that person way they take people them lines always they put for his song is that I beg if you leave the person name for the comment section, yeah, they beg you.
Ash me, was a mistake. You should have known say me own this place.
So Shatta Wale is saying say being own the whole dancehall thing, the whole dancehall game. No, he being the owner, so he be mistake. Stonebwoy did a mistake to come and clash with him. That was the mistake of his life. You know, for do that thing.
I'm one of the greatest banger. I mean, why you are the Putu ambassador?
Oh. But Putu be hit too. So you don't want to say Putu no be nice song. Yeah, the ambassador. You Putu, pray. You go better.
And you know man, king already. Forever me, I go give you a dick. Me nah run from no one. From me kill you, then me gone.
So Shatta Wale said that Charlie, you know go run, you know they run away from no war. So he kills Stonebwoy, he kill him when he die. He kill him. So he is not somebody who runs away from war. If war comes, Charlie, he dead. But you this guy, no VGL 2019, Stonebwoy pool guy, you ran away. Or that one, you know the war. Or that one, I beg you, that one, you know the war. You the same Shatta Wale 2019 VGL and pool guy, you run. Man, now you there they claim say you know they ran away from war. You understand? Yo, beat is dope. The beat be tight. Beat me a tight. Says here. Me see a crowd me feel it. Say I swear it. Me feel it beat you know. This beat was produced by Vampire Beats.
From Chronic say ah boy, you say ah boy.
Why they use the man in slogan? Why that slogan they feel am? Charlie, this beef thing be saying if you don't take time, they will use your own words against you. Just like how it happened between Shatta Wale himself and then Yapono, where Yapono used some of his own lines to throw jabs at him back. Charlie, this thing, if you don't know how they do and you go make stacks, so beef.
Long time the people must know. Why you know I chat, you a chat anytime pan the mic. One move like a bad man, but you know you're a body.
So Shatta Wale is saying that Stonebwoy no be bad man. Stonebwoy, he say Shatta Wale say when we tell you say you no be bad man, but always you want to claim say no, you be bad man, but why say it be only always music inside where people they claim say they be bad. But in real life, if they say somebody be bad man, we fear him. But in music, people they claim say they be bad. This person say he be bad. Yapono say he be bad. This Stonebwoy say he be bad. Shatta Wale too say he be bad. But now Shatta Wale got to talk say Stonebwoy always want act like say no, he be hard, he be bad guy, but he never be bad guy. So let's go.
One to one tidy. Things when me I go say you not gonna like me. Go and go exact, go and go.
So this one is very true. When you're somebody that like you don't understand how these showbiz things go or you don't understand Shatta Wale in particular, you will not like this guy. He's too rough and all this stuff. But Charlie, it is part of the game. That's what he does to always keep his brand and his name always in the news and always going higher. So the more people talk about you, the higher you go. That kind of thing. This kind of dancehall thing. Charlie, if you want me to come for dancehall inside, the game never go favor you. That's what happens in dancehall. So yeah.
Ask King, go ask Bulldog. If my war never ugly, me did show money, flip some dollar. My talk.
So you know, Shatta Wale has always been claiming himself for this industry inside. It mean they make this music money. It mean really where they make money out of music. So they talk say Charlie, they make show money. They won't flick more dollars. You see the level. He's still the brag. I'm gonna brag, you know, if you take away from Shatta Wale. So that's gonna
and Shatta Kumoji say holla. One of your talks say, oh my yele. No one in work a shwe kumo holla. I know I'm so special. That's what you want to be. Yes, me and your ghost and your nightmare.
So is it true that Stonebwoy wants to be like Shatta Wale? Because Shatta Wale is saying that he's so special. So Stonebwoy won't be like him. That boy groove him. You groove and say no, still original. Don't try to copy me. I am the one done, the general. I don't know one done. I don't know SM president. I don't know Shatta Wale. King already.
Any toucher, assassin sound clash was your burial. Funeral service, one God, burial.
So when we go the funeral, okay, they say that be the assassin sound clash be time he die way the time they do the burial, the burial. Stonebwoy you to why?
Nah run, with no one. From me kill you, then me gone.
Me nah run,
No one. From me kill you, me gone.
woo. Bam, 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 bam.
From me kill you, me gone.
Let's do this. Bam, 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 bam. Yo, Charlie, that's Kill and Gun, Shatta Wale. That's a victory song. Okay, so the truth is, after the Assassin Sound Clash, it was declared that no one won the clash. So the Sound Clash was not organized to see who is the best dancehall artist or who is best in doing this dancehall whole thing. It was down to clash COVID-19, not individual like this kind of thing that we are thinking or what Shatta Wale has taken it to. But it is part of the game. Dancehall, Charlie, the moment you slack small, no, your opponents will take them against you. So even in that the same concept is like Shatta Wale calls Stonebwoy say be Apache. This kind of thing, which like it doesn't go well, it doesn't sit well with me though. But that's what he said. You know Shatta Wale, that's why he said in the song that you say certain things that you don't like, and if you don't then you will say these beef things all will happen, then these gang things all will come inside then things. So that's Kill and Gun. So let's see whether Stonebwoy will come at Shatta Wale, because you know say Stonebwoy to know be cool guy, make them kind things them go. Would he come back at Shatta Wale? This is what I'm loving. That's why I'm the captain of beef. Beef say home, yeah, enjoy beef, yeah, you're vegetarian and Charlie, you feel beef brutal. I'm the captain of beef. And we did the watch say Stonebwoy go reply Shatta Wale on this one, or he just go along say make it go. You go do like Sarko there say if you make relevant, some people you know some beef they no go mind themselves, some people no be that relevant. So will Stonebwoy also treat this this song as such and come back and come and reply Shatta Wale? Charlie, this has been the reaction on Kill and Gun by Shatta Wale. I go by the name Nathino, the guy who has come out for capital God. Hey, don't forget there is always more than enough. Yeah! Charlie, this